Good morning, students. Before problem 7.3 exercise, first problem is over before class. Now second problem, find the value of k for which the points are collinear. The given points are there: 7, -2, 5, 1, 3, k. These are the given points. You find here k value. Okay. Before this problem, first reason. Suppose triangle ABC is the triangle. Here vertices are A x1, y1 and B x2, y3, x2, y2, sorry, C x3, y3. These are the three vertices of a triangle ABC. Suppose area of the triangle ABC you can find now. How to find that is, suppose you find area of the triangle ABC, area of the triangle ABC is equal to formula half into modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Modulus close. This is the formula for finding the area of the triangle ABC. Vertices are given. Now here three vertices are given. Okay. But here vertices are in the same line, that is collinear. One concept is there, that is collinear. Collinear means suppose the given points are in the same line. Here ABC is there. Here formula is area of the triangle ABC equal formula is there. Suppose 3 points A, B, C. These are in the same line. Okay. A suppose x1, y1 and B x2, y2 and C x3, y3. These 3 points are in the same line. Then the 3 points are called as collinear. Collinear means suppose the 3 points are in the same line, then the points are called collinear. Here A, B, C, 3 points, suppose you can take x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. These 3 points are collinear. When it is collinear, if the 3 points are in same line, then the points are collinear. Here given same concept. Find the value of k for which the points are collinear. Suppose 3 points are collinear, given 3 points are collinear, then it's not form a triangle. Suppose here ABC triangle is formed, okay, when these 3 points are not collinear. So ABC triangle is formed. Suppose 3 points are collinear, triangle not formed. So ABC triangle, ABC points are collinear means triangle area is 0, because triangle not formed means area not there. So area of the triangle is 0. That concept you can use now. That means suppose area of the triangle ABC value is 0, that is equal to 0, then the given points are in collinear. That is the main concept. So that concept is now used. That is, if the 3 points are collinear, collinear means 3 points are collinear, then the area of the triangle equal to area of the triangle is 0. This is the main concept. 3 points is collinear. Okay, area of the triangle is 0. Okay, now the concept is used. First, find the value of k. Already you write problems like first bit. Here 3 bits is there. Now you write first bit. Okay, solution. So given points you write. Given points what? Given points are first point A, that is 7, -2 and B 5, 1 and C 3, K. Okay, these are the given points. Now here A, B, C is the A x1, y1, B x2, y2, C x3, y3 are the 3 points. Same formula you can use. Given what? Collinear points. The given points A, B, C and C are collinear. So collinear means the 3 points are in same line. Same line means you write area of the triangle is 0. So that concept is now used. We know that if the given points are points are lying same line, that is collinear. Same line, collinear. Then the area of the triangle is 0. If the given points are lying same line, that is collinear aithe, then the area of the triangle, the given points is 0. Okay. Now you write formula. Area of the triangle: A x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3 are the points of triangle, are the vertices of triangle ABC, are the vertices of triangle ABC. Then area of the triangle ABC equal to, okay, you write formula of, here down is right, of modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 first term, second term plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 modulus close. Okay. Now you write in substitute A 7 comma minus 2, B 5 comma 1, C 3. These are the 3 points. Okay, these 3 points are same line, so equal to area of the triangle is 0. Okay. Now you write A. A means how much? 7 comma minus 2, B 5 comma 1, and C is 3 comma K are the vertices of triangle ABC. Then area of triangle ABC, then area of triangle ABC equal to half into modulus. Okay, you write x1, this is x1 y1, first vertex, second vertex x2 y2, and third vertex x3 y3. You substitute the values, this formula, half into modulus of x1 means how much? 7 into y2 minus y3. y2 means 1 minus, in formula minus you write y3. y3 means k plus x2. x2 here 5. Next 5 into, you write 5 into y3. y3 means k minus, formula you write minus y1. y1 means already minus is there, so minus of minus 2. y1 value is minus 2. y3 value k minus minus, y1 is minus 2. Next third term x3. x3 means 3. y1 minus y2. y1 means minus 2. Already formula in minus is there, so we write minus y2. y2 means 1. Third term close and modulus also close. Area of the triangle ABC value is this one. Okay, you know these are the same line points, so you can equal to 0. Okay, when collinear, then the area of the triangle is how much here? 0. So these points are given collinear, so you can equal to 0. Now simplification of, write of modulus of 7 into 1 minus k plus 5 into k minus into minus plus, so k plus 2 plus minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 3 equal to 0. Okay. Now half is, this is left side multiplication, take right side, 2 is denominator, so multiplication is there, 0 into 2. Now remaining you write modulus of 7 into 1 minus k. You simplify 7 into 1 means 7 minus 7 into k, 7k plus 5 into k, 5k plus 5 into 2, 10. Again plus into minus minus, 3 3 is a 9, modulus close, that is equal to 0. Here half you write, that is into 2 by 1. 1 by 2 take right side, 1 by 2 you write 2 by 1. So multiplication 0 into any number you multiply 0 you get. So modulus of simplification now 7 minus, now you add terms, that is 7k 5k, variables you write 5k 7k, you get modulus of minus 2k. Negative value is more, so 5k positive, 7k negative, so you get minus 2k. Next numbers you add 10 minus 9, that is 1 plus 7 is there, so 8 minus 2k plus 8 equal to 0 into any number you write 0. Modulus of is there, so modulus you can remove it, you write plus values, so minus 2k plus 8, that is equal to 0. You write minus 2k right side, 8 equal to 2k. Okay, now 2k equal to 8 means k equal to 8 by 2. Here multiplication, take left side, that is by 8 by 2. K equal to simplification 4 times, so k equal to 4. Now the required value, how much you get? K equal to 4. Therefore you write required k equal to required value k equal to 4. Okay. This is the first bit to find the value of k. Here main concept is the collinear. Collinear means here we write same line points. So A, B, C are same line points. So same line points means the area of the triangle is not area equal to 0. So area of the triangle is 0. That is same model problems. First bit you can do it here. Second bit you do. That means second bit do it homework. Third bit I can told next class. Third bit. So you do it second bit homework. That is second bit I can write here in textbook. Second problem, second bit. Do homework. That is 8, 1. First point, that is A. Second point k, minus 4, that is B. Third point 2, minus 5, that is third point. So do homework, this one. Third bit also there. I can do next class, third bit. Okay, thank you.